What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on top 3 bullish altcoins that I'm watching right now. So if you are interested about the exact altcoins and also if you are interested about the exact trades that I'm planning to take on them, then definitely watch this video till the end. If you like my analysis and you want to know about all the trades and about all the potential setups that I'm currently watching, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group where I am sharing this every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. First coin that I will show you in today's video is Litecoin. This coin is for the past couple of days really bullish. You can see that from this low to this high we already did a pump around like 66% of a net market. But in the long time perspective, this coin is still heavily undervalued, which means there is still a room for some pump. In my trading group where I am sharing all of my trades, we already opened a long position in this area. So our long position is currently in profit around like 26%, something like that. Right now we are under this really important resistance area, which is between levels 115 and 108. And with this position I am planning to take most of the profit to this bearish order block. But if there will be breakout and then a support confirmation, I might be opening another long trade. The exact trade can then look, for example, like this. So stop loss in this case you want to place under this resistance area, because if there will be breakdown again with a resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. Your last take profit target you can then place under $200 mark, which is in my opinion next important psychological resistance. This trade will give you risk reward ratio up to 10, which is in my opinion really good. But definitely in this case you also want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you want to take under this high, then under these previous highs, these highs, then for example under 180, because historically around this area we have really high liquidity, and then you want to save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end the risk reward ratio is gonna be like 7, something like that, which is in my opinion really great setup. Another coin that I am watching closely is Solana. Here you can see we took liquidity above bearish order block that I told you about in my last Solana analysis, and right now this is looking just like a fake out. So if there will be after all a support confirmation above this area, this can be another good long opportunity. The main reason why I want to take this trade is that after we will confirm support above this bearish order block, we will get into a price discovery phase, which means that historically in this area we don't have any important resistances which would block our pump up. The exact trade can then look, for example, like this. So entry will be above this bearish order block, as I said, after a support confirmation. The support confirmation here is extremely important if you want to avoid fake outs like this. And if you, for example, want to copy my exact trade, or if you want to know about the exact analysis that I am doing, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. Stop loss in this case should be around like 6% of a net market, not more, because then we are not gonna get that good risk reward ratio. And in this case you also don't want to place your stop loss under this bearish order block, because then the risk reward ratio is gonna be absolutely terrible. So I think around like 6% of a net market is a good setup. Your last take profit target in this case you can place under $500 mark, which is in my opinion the next really important psychological resistance. This trade can give you a risk reward ratio up to 15, which we can use and take your multiple take profit targets. First profits I would take definitely under $300 mark, which is the first important psychological resistance, then something, let's say like 350, 400, 450, 500, something like that. So you can basically use these important psychological resistances as potential take profit targets, and in the end from the risk reward ratio 15, the risk reward ratio is gonna be more like 11, 10.5, something like that, which is another absolutely amazing setup. And the last coin that I will show you in today's video is Cardano. I know that I'm doing analysis on this altcoin really often, but in my opinion this current setup here is really great, and if you are, for example, not watching my Cardano analysis, you should at least know about this. So this trade will be possible in case of a breakout and then a support confirmation of this bearish order block on a weekly time frame. Again, you want to see here a support confirmation because you want to avoid fake out, and the last take profit target you should place under this bearish order block, again on a weekly time frame, which starts on the level 2.7. This trade can give you risk reward ratio up to 8.3, which is in my opinion really great. And if you think Cardano is gonna go even higher, I think also that Cardano is gonna go higher than this mark, but you want to have here some take profit targets that you can actually achieve in some shorter periods of time. But if you want, you can always like put it on the higher levels. But this trade, even if you are gonna take multiple take profit targets, so for example like under these highs, these lows, these highs, and then you will save some back to a last take profit target, then the risk reward ratio is still gonna be like 6, 5.5, something like that, which is another absolutely amazing setup. And if you want, you can always have a lower stop loss, which I'm not recommending in this case because placing it like under this bearish order block will be really safe. But if you want, you can also improve your risk reward ratio in this way. Okay, so these were all the main altcoins that I'm watching right now, and if you want to know about the exact trades or if you want to know just about my analysis that I'm doing, then as I said, don't forget to join my Discord trading group where I am sharing these types of setups every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But yeah, this will be all for me for today. Thanks again for watching. I will be really happy if you consider subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you in my next video. See ya.